Hello friend, welcome on my channel. Here I have created an automatic data entry Excel form in which I write some data here and click on submit. So you can see here that my data is being saved in the master sheet. If you also want to create such an automatic data entry form, then watch this video till the end. The first thing you need, create a table like this where you can enter your data and save it. Now type some data in this table. Next step, type is equal to in front of this cell and select this first cell. Now press enter. Now drag and drop it to apply all cell. After then, add two more Excel sheet from this plus button. Now right click on third sheet, rename it and type it name master sheet. Now come back in sheet 1. Select this all heading, copy it, go to sheet 2, right click on this first cell, choose paste special, choose values, transpose and click OK. Now again go to sheet 1, select these all, copy it. Now this time go to master sheet, right click, paste special, choose values, transpose and OK. Because this will be our master sheet, our data will be saved in it and we customize it a little to make it look beautiful. Select some area and go to home and click table and choose my table as header and click OK. In this step I am going to learn start and stop macros recording. Now go to developer and click start macros and type its name data entry and click OK. Next step, copy this data from here and go to sheet 2, right click, paste special, choose values, transpose and OK. Now copy this data from here and go to master sheet and click on this first cell, click home, click insert and click insert copied cell. Now go to sheet 1, select these all data and delete them. Now stop macros recording. For this, go to developer and stop macros recording. In the next step, we will insert a button here through which will be able to save our data. For this, go to developer, select this button and insert it here. When you insert this button, this window will appear. Now select the data entry that we wrote when recording the macros and click OK and type this button name submit. And after that, little bit customize this button. Our automatic data entry form is ready. Now we will make an entry in it and see if it gets saved in our master sheet or not. I have written this entry. Now let's click on the submit and go to the master sheet to see if it is the save or not. So yes, here you can see that our entry has been successfully saved to our master sheet. So this was today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like the video and subscribe my channel for more tips. Thanks for watching.